So I get this question a lot, like people complaining that they refer 1 or 2 persons or more persons to PoppoLive and they are not getting their referral bonus. I am the person that I have referred up to this amount of persons and see how much I have made so far from referral alone, not talk about from agency invite and all that. Number one, when you are inviting people to PoppoLive or any other live streaming platform, encourage them to sign up immediately. If you give them your referral link and they just click and download and they did not sign up, the app will not recognize you as someone that referred them. The app will just recognize that they only downloaded it from the Play Store or from Apple Store and they sign up. So by so doing, you are not going to get the referral from PoppoLive. That's one. Secondly, even if PoppoLive have recorded you as someone that has referred that person to PoppoLive, the person need to be active for you to gain commission from your referral. Like I'm going to just drop on this screen right here to see at each level or how many hours of live stream that a person need to make for you to get commission. That the highest you can get on one referral is $14. So if the person joined live streaming PoppoLive with your referral link and the person actively do their live streaming for 3 hours, you get this $1 and so on and so forth till the money is up to $14. And then another issue I want to address for this is those that are complaining that they refer people and they get the question, you have not completed your authentication or something like this. So what that means is that as you sign up on Poppo, you did not do all the identification, you did not do your authentication. So what you need to do is you need to click on the AUT, that's authentication on PoppoLive, and do the necessary thing. Another thing that can hinder you again is having multiple accounts. You cannot outsmart the robots. You cannot outsmart AI. You cannot outsmart Web3. Like Poppo is on the Web3. Any platform, that's why you see other platforms, they will come today, tomorrow they cannot meet up because they did not build it well, unlike Poppo. So Poppo is one of the best when it comes to live streaming. All you need to do is to make sure you have only one account. I've been on Poppo for the past 3 years and I have never even thought of opening another account, and I hope nothing will happen to this my account. But I'm one person that I love doing something to the core. I love following rules and regulation and guideline. I can't begin to tell you how many of my videos that I create and I publish on YouTube right here, that 1 or 2 the admin will reach out that this video is against our policy, and I'll bring it down just because I want to play safe. So if you are on PoppoLive and or any of the live streaming platform that does authentication, please ensure that you don't have multiple accounts. And if at all you have multiple accounts, make sure you are not using hotspotting the other accounts, because I have friends that were doing so well on Poppo and today they are no more. So if you are not getting any from your referral, encourage people to use your referral link and download immediately and sign up immediately and do their face authentication and then start going live. So if this is your first time watching me, PoppoLive is a live streaming platform that we use to live stream to earn. We do a lot of activities to make money online with PoppoLive. In the description of this video, I drop a complete playlist, and I want to do a Q&A. So if you have any question that you need help with or answer with, in the comment section of this video, please ask your question. I'm going to do a full video practically answering all your questions about PoppoLive live streaming platform or any other live streaming platform that I talk about. Secondly, I am running a 30 days YouTube growth challenge, because one of the things that make me to be among the top as an agent on all these live streaming platform is content creation. So I am teaching you from the scratch, from how to start a YouTube channel, from how to create, how to optimize, how to upload, how to film, how to edit, how to get 1,000 subscribers, watch hours, how to make money on YouTube even before you get monetized and all that. So if all this interests you, comment interested in the comment section of this video, and then check the description for a link to join. I'm going to reply each and every question in the comment section of this video. So thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Why am I looking beautiful today?